Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the emergency switch. Turn on the lighting. Make sure the carriage moves normally and there are no abnormal sounds or lags. Power on the front drying system. Switch to the manual mode. Set the fan air volume. Switch to the auto mode. Install the paper into the paper feeder. Tighten the screw. Paper feeder switch set to reverse. Lift the pinch roller. Pull out the paper and loop it around the paper tension rod. Passes through the pinch roller to the suction platform. Put down the pinch roller. Lift the pinch roller. Pull out the paper. Put down the pinch roller. Move the platen sheet to press the edge of the paper. Press 1/3 to 1/2. Tap the paper lightly to make sure it is installed flat and securely. Lift the tension bar. Move the paper until it is close to the ground. Install roller on the take-up roller. Tighten the screw. Align the paper and tighten the tension evenly on both sides. Tape the paper to the take-up roller. Take-up roller switch set to reverse. Moving paper. At this point, the auto tension bar keeps the paper flat and aligned. Green sign indicates normal connection. Print head cleaning. Print head cleaning completed. Test strip printing. The lines on the test strip are complete and clear with no disconnection. Import print files into printing software. Printing starts.